Hi, I'm Gretchen, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate a basic transfer tool bind off. So as you can see, my yarn is still going to my carriage over here. I'm going to take it off. And of course you can do this bind off in either direction, but you want to start on the end that your yarn is coming from. So in order to do this bind off, all you need to do is first off, pull out that first needle far enough that the stitch slips past the latch, and then go ahead and push it back in so that the stitch is transferred to your transfer tool. And then move your transfer tool behind the post and then hook it onto the second needle and pull that out until both the stitch that was on this needle and that stitch that you brought from the first needle, they're both behind the latch and the second needle. And then you can just come and lay your yarn into that needle and pull it back manually to knit it. Then again, you just go ahead and use your transfer tool to pull that needle forward. Move the stitch to your transfer tool, loop it behind the gate post thing, pull it forward so both stitches go behind the latch, and then again manually knit it. And you can just do that. You'll see in a second why I've only cast on 6 stitches here, so I can show you the end as well without boring you with a 25-minute video. Sometimes the latch is closed, that makes it a little bit more difficult. One reason that you're going to move it behind those posts too is so that it still hangs on your work and it won't just clatter to the floor as you're working. Anyway, once you get to that last stitch, go ahead and knit it, and then you can move that last stitch, that last needle forwards. You can clip your yarn. I can't find my scissors right now, but if I could, I would. And then you can pull the tail through.